Let's get it. We out here today picking up a load of kiwis. Kiwis from Madeira to Delano. Somebody lives right here. Pretty nice house. Right in the middle of nowhere. I'm waiting for the load, see how long it takes. Hopefully they load me fast because it's like a 2-hour drive from here. Pretty big place, but only four dogs, 4 doors. I'm in door 3 right now, so let's see how long it takes. Nice, beautiful day out here today. Let's get it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Beautiful day out here. Hello, let's get it out here. This is my first truck stop ever down here in Madeira. It's a new facility right here. They just opened it up. Avenue 7, Madeira. Check it out. Everything's brand new. No trucks yet. Still not fully done. It's getting there though. I had to stop for lunch. Got loaded, the Kiwi load, so let's see. A 2-hour drive to Delano from here. See, let's get it. It's back to work. Done with lunch. Walking to the truck. This parking lot is huge. Brand new facility. Brand new parking lots. Pretty nice though. About to get rolling, guys. Let's get it.